Okay, imagine you are being given a question like this, a triangle, and the side is given to be as 12 centimeter, and this is 8 centimeter. So you have this angle which is 30 degrees, and you are expected to know, or I should say you are required to find this side. Okay, so whenever a shape is like this nature given, let us name it as A, B, and C, and then let us compare this to the side that I have given you, or I should say to the explanation that I gave you in applying the cosine rule. So we have a figure like this. This is going to be my B, and this is C, and this is A. This angle is given as A, and the expected side is A. So we have A squared to be equal to B squared positive C squared negative 2BC cos A, right? So we are going to inflict this formula onto this problem. In this case, we are expected to obtain this x. So this is nothing but my side B, this is my side C, and this is my side A. So from the formula which I explained, A squared would now be B squared positive C squared negative 2 times BC cos A. My B squared is going to be 12 squared, and then positive C squared, the value for C squared is 8 squared, negative 2 times B is 12 multiplied with C, which is 8, which in turn will be multiplied with cos A, which is 30 degrees. So A squared is now equal to 12 squared, which is 144, positive 8 squared, which is 64, negative 2 times 12 multiplied with 8 multiplied with cos 30. Now from the previous video, or I should say the previous lesson, I clearly showed you the cosine table. It shows that cos 30 degree is root of 3 divided by 2. So substituting that information, we know A squared is equal to, use the rough column to add 144 with 64, 4 added with 4 gives you 8, 6 added with 4 gives you 10, carry 1, it's going to be 208. So we have 208, negative 2 multiplied with 12 multiplied with 8, which in turn is multiplied with cos 30, which is root 3 over 2. Now clearly 2 divides 8 4 times, so now we have A squared equal to 208 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 12 multiplied with 4, which in turn is multiplied with root 3. Okay, so this can be again simplified as follows. The simplification is A squared equal to 208 negative 2 multiplied with 12 is 24, which has to be multiplied with 4 times root 3. This can be rewritten as A squared equal to 208 negative 4 multiplied with 24. So 24 multiplied with 4 would give us 4 times 4 is 16, carry 1, 4 times 2 is 8, and that's going to be 96 multiplied with root 3. So now we have a squared equal to 208 negative 96 multiplied with root 3. Now if you are permitted to use a calculator, then you can use. If not, there are some standard values which you can use, because the value of root 3 is 1.73 to 1. I'm just taking the value of root 3 as 1.7. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 96 with 1.7. Actually you can just multiply 96 with 17, that's 17, and then we can place the decimal. So 7 times 6 is 42, 4 carry, 7 times 9 is 63, you add 4, you get 67, so place at 67. 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 9 is 9, so it's going to be 2, and 13, carry 1, 10, 16. So place the decimal point now, so it's going to be 163, 163.2. So I have something like this: a squared is equal to 208 negative 163.2. So let us subtract that. So 208 negative 163.2. So this is how it is done. You carry 1, you get 10. You subtract that, you get 8. This is going to be 7. 7 negative 3 will give you 4. And you carry 1 now, this is going to be 10. 10 negative 6 is going to be 4, and you have a squared is equal to approximately 44.8. And now you take the square root of this, so a will be root of 44.8, which means that the value of x is root of 44.8. okay, in fact when you're writing this you can show something like this: x is approximately equal to root of 44.8 cm. Okay, so whenever you use this sign, it means it's an approximation sign. So even if you do not have a calculator, this is an acceptable answer. Okay.